Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So we got another beautiful day out here in West Michigan. Believe it or not, a week ago we had about a foot of snow. So most of that's melted now, and we're kind of getting into that muddy mess again. But today we got a private drive job. We are going to be grading up this gravel road with the John Deere 2038 and our 60-inch box blade. It's got quite a few potholes in it. A couple of them are 6-7 inches deep. Fortunately, this is right next door to our house, so this is an easy, close job that we are going to take care of. There's a couple houses at the end of this road, so it's not really a highly traveled road or anything, just a one lane, and we're going to clean it up. All right guys, we got that one wrapped up. For some reason one of my camera angles wouldn't work, and I apologize for that, but hopefully we got some good footage. Road is cleaned up now. Like I said, this is a simple 1-lane private gravel road, so nothing too crazy. Potholes are gone. I ran the tractor back and forth a few times just to pack it in. Hopefully it stays like this as it's continuing to freeze at night, and then it can stay that way, stay nice and solid without the potholes. But much improved. Not a bad job. Maybe 45 minutes total work, so it's a quick and easy one. Hey guys, thanks for watching. We're really enjoying making these videos and hope I can get at least a couple out a week is what I'm shooting for. It's been super busy lately, but doing the best we can. We hope that you like these videos and we can keep putting out content. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Have a good one.